We're on our way to the Cambria Slam Down 3.
Cambria is a small, picturesque village located midway between San Francisco and Los Angeles on the Central Coast of California. The scenic ocean views, sea life, and relaxing atmosphere draw thousands of visitors every year. Rugged beaches north of Cambria are home to around 17,000 northern elephant seals who can be seen near the Piedras Blancas Lighthouse. Cambria is known for being one of the prettiest towns in America. Free of chain stores, Cambria's charms include antique stores, boutique shops, restaurants, and oceanfront inns, along with its yearly Scarecrow Festival. The friendly community is lined with gardens, Victorian homes, and local art. Along its shore lies Moonstone Beach Boardwalk and Leffingwell Landing, home of the Cambria Slam Down 3 kayak fishing tournament.
Thanks everyone for coming out, coming to the captain's meeting. Anyone that hasn't already checked in to get their captain's bag and all their swag and their shirts that they order or anything like that, you can get them afterwards. Just check in with my wife here, Mary, and get your captain's bags. I'll start with weather. The surf's rather large again. It's pretty much the same as it was last year. Coming in, going out's going to be easy. Coming in, time it. Last year, if you watched Ricardo's video, you had 5 people coming in at the same time, running into each other, and that was the issue. So time it, look behind you. You know, there's plenty of times on that set. We went down there today at 12:30 and sat there for a half hour, and you had plenty of time to time it. So just time it in between the sets. And same thing at San Simeon. There was some big sets coming in, and then there was minute periods where you could come in no problem. Could have swam in without even getting hit by a wave. So just time your landing so no one breaks any rods and no one gets hurt. So another year without getting anyone hurt.
And when you get in, get off the kayak and get out of the way.
That's the other thing. When you get in, don't let someone pull your kayak up. Get off the kayak.
Turn around and start helping.
An empty kayak's a lot lighter than yourself, even if you only weigh 150 pounds. So get off your kayak as soon as you hit the sand. So
bring your guys' catch up, what you guys want to weigh in. Don't sort your fish on the table. We don't got enough time. I mean, we got a lot of people rolling through the table. Yeah. Just try
bring
to
your biggest fish,
key fish.
Length. Bring your biggest one of each species. On that, it's biggest rockfish, biggest lingcod, biggest cabezon, and biggest halibut, based on length, and then it's multiplied by the numbers that were on the website. 5.5 for the lingcod and halibut, 8 for the rockfish and cabezon, and then your totals after that are added up together. So it's not just biggest ling or anything like that, except for side bets for those that are entered. Also, the winner of the side bet gets a rod that was donated by Ben there caught that. It's got a Daiwa Lexa 400 and a Shimano Talus. So, and it's at like $800. So, it's, big lings up there. All of them are over 600. All the donation or all the proceeds from this tournament go to Heroes on the Water. And
My name's John Kenny, aka JK, one of the co-founders of Central Coast Kayak Fishing, and today is Cambria Slam Down 3. It's great to see so many participants out. When we had our first tournament 4 years ago, there was 8 guys on this beach, and it's pretty awesome to see the turnout. I'm not involved with the site as much as I used to be. This is really Ryan's baby here, and he's just done a remarkable job getting so many people interested in the sport, getting sponsors, getting through the red tape with the city to make sure that this tournament can go off every year. And we have 146 registered this year, which is amazing. Up to 700 members. It's just been awesome so far.
It's 90% of the game showing up. If you can show up, it all comes into place, according to the brochure. I could use a beer.
For coming out again this year. We had 155 people sign up for the tournament. Pretty much everyone show up, so a lot more people than last year. This year's competition was a lot different than last year. We actually got to fish in the morning and not get, wet all morning, so that was nice. However, the outcome was pretty similar, so pretty similar.
Yeah, man! Boys! NCK, baby! Wow, wow. Oh my God. We don't want to hear keep it simple. I don't know. Wow. Speech again, speechless again. Go. Come on. Okay, I actually brought my tackle box this time. Lost half my gear though. Oh my gosh.
How you getting it home?
Yeah, I got room this time. I think. Oh my gosh. I did the same thing as I did last year. Went shallow, 20 feet. 20 feet of water. Swim baits and sluggos, and hey, I went 6 miles up north. I probably went the furthest up north and just fish shallow. That's it. Tip it with squid again. It wasn't as simple this time, but I did it. Coming in hot! Coming in hot! Coming in hot!
You're banned from next year's tournament?
I think Andrew Deck, he's second, but he's also biggest cabbie. Andrew Deck. There you go. Andrew. Yeah. There, Roger. Good job, good job. I don't know if I can hold this with money at one time. It's all yours, man. Side bet. I'll take that. So, he had massive Lingcod. 22 pounds, right? 22 pound ling, 37 inches. It was a fat one. And then just 22 inch rockfish. So, it was up there. 22 and some change, so.
Awesome. Thank you. Make this? Yeah, thank you. That's awesome. Wow.
I'd also like to thank Koenig Media. He put together the whole online registration, which made it a lot easier not having to deal with a bunch of paper this year. Saved a tree or two, probably. So that helped out a lot. Lucid Grips for donating a couple grips to the top placers. Yak Attack. Ben there caught that, donated the rod and reel for the Lingcod. Big Hammer, B2 Squid, Procure, Lingcod Jigs, Plano, Scotty, Surf to Summit, Boondocks, Kelp. VC Girls donated some neck guards, and then Jurassic Sport Fishing for the massive cooler. So big thank you to everyone that came out and supported, and everyone for showing up today and making this a great event. So we're going to go on raffles.
310007. That's a prize.
That's a prize.
That's yours. The wheel for
You can take a hat, but you can take the Hobie, but the wheels are behind. And the fish gear bag separate. Yeah.
What's funny is I just sold my kayak a week ago. I had a rental today. There you go.
As they're taking off from the beach and watching all those kayaks, that's the best part for me. Although eating's pretty good.
She's talking to him now.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah. I got another batch I can cook up for everybody too.
Over there hiring a kayak.
Right there.
And there you guys did bring a drone to start line, bro.
Hey, she qualified
Hey, this is Ricky Chavez, aka Fishworks from NorCal Kayak Anglers. I'm here at the Cambria Slam 3, going down on September 27th at Cambria, California. What makes this whole tournament special is, we got one great weekend in Cambria, California. Everyone from Northern California to Southern California and Central Coast coming together, having a great weekend. We got Ryan, Hal, and Derek throwing one of the best tournaments of the year here. Great sponsors such as Hobie, Kayak, Jackson Kayak, all throwing, helping to make this event such a bigger, better event, and Heroes on the Water, all coming together. Yeah, shit.